Hey guys, OneManOneCamera. It's June 8th, about 4:45. Let's head to the LINQ and see what's going on. It is a beautiful day here in Vegas. It is not so hot, maybe about 75 degrees, maybe 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A bit of a breeze as usual. It is not that crowded as the area has just reopened. Let's see like what's happening, man. All right. So, I think the LINQ is, wait, is it open or closed? I don't know. Can't tell. I will in a minute. Okay, Starbucks is open. You can get all your coffee needs. Hot Doggery is open. Those want a hot dog. The LINQ is not open. Not yet. Well, I don't think they are. Okay. Need your fish and chips? G-Money, Gordon Ramsay. G-Money, Gordon Ramsay's fish and chip place is open. Tasty fish. About 15 bucks for an order. The gelato shop is still closed. Chayo is open. You want that sugar? Come on down for I Love Sugar is open. All right, I'm being goofy today, you guys. Have some fun, okay? All right. What else is going on? O'Shea's is open. The Blarney Bar, not quite. Off the Strip Bistro Bar, open. I was over there a couple days ago, and I asked them any discounts during these opening days. No. Stingy bastards. Just kidding, just kidding. All right. Let's see. And is that Rock Candy Man, Gummy Man, Jawbreaker, Spice Girl, Licorice Monster? Don't know those guys. So here there is a gameplay place called Razor. I've been there before, and you know, if I'm playing some games or drop your kids off here to play games, you know, it's okay. Here's Virgil's over here. Now, during normal times, this place gets packed, rammed to the brim with customers. Then you got the Tilted Kilt. And I thought that skateboards were not allowed down here. All right, anyway, Tilted Kilt is open. Virgil's. I get noises down here, so make it a voiceover. The Harley store is open. Harley, baby, son of a. I like girls with big anyway. All right. Flower Bakery. It's a really good pizza. Okay. In-N-Out's open. Hey. American is not open yet. Good place. Been there many times. Something new, not really new, is the Ice Bar. You can go in there and I think it's like 28 degrees or 25 degrees Fahrenheit on the inside. It's cold, but it's not gonna kill you, right? So if you're in town, check it out. This place is called the Favorite Bistro. It's a good place, not open yet. When you open up, I will be here during happy hour, of course. Get a little drinky winky and call it a night. Ghirardelli chocolate. She's wide open. Why not? Yeah. And that door was the bathroom she came out of. Okay, all right. Hawaiian cookie has yet to open. Okay. And you got some socks places, whatever, socks and bottoms. Jimmy Kimmel's Comedy Club. I got a drink there once or twice. Never saw a show there. And let's see what else we got down here. Oh, the Yard House. Hey, they have a very strong reputation. Haven't tried them yet. Some really good food. Billabong for your not sunglasses. What are these? It's like outdoor wear. And what else we got down here? Is Maxie's open? Maxie's is yet to open. So how you doing? All right. So Maxie's is not open yet. Fairly soon, I presume. All right, you guys. And the High Roller, she is open. He or she, okay? Now, check it out. Do you recall the videos about the Caesars Forum, which was to hold the what do you call it? The football draft, NFL 2020. Well, that was canceled, of course, right? But check this out. There's an event. Let's say this is an event over at Caesars Forum. You're on the link. Hey, check these gates out. Yeah. Boom. No need to cross the street. Just walk up these stairs and cross the street. Hang on, here it is, Caesars Forum. There's a sign or the logo or the mark. The sign over there. And let's see. Okay, so there are the stairs that you walk over to Caesars Forum. Oh. Okay. So here is the front side of Caesars Forum. It looks pretty good. Remember, this is all like dirt before, I think. This whole area was just dirt. And now we have a nice road going through. And there it is. All right. This place will be used for other convention activity. It's really a shame things went down like they have this year in 2020 with everybody getting sick and so on, because this was promising to be a dynamite NFL 2020. You know, you got this. Oh well, let's not dwell on what might have been, right? Okay, guys, that will just about do it for today. Okay, so we walked the LINQ, and we've seen Caesars Forum. And you see the various entries for stairs and so on and so on. Oh well. All right, you guys. All right, looks good? Looks good. Hey guys, I got a mask. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, thank you all for joining me today, and take care wherever you are. If you're outside doing stuff, be careful. All right? This is your old pal, OneManOneCamera saying, enjoy yourselves. Take care. Talk to you again real soon. Cheerio. Hey guys, it's summertime in Tokyo. It's hot again as usual. And today we're making a nice summer couscous salad. I have about 150 grams, call it 5 ounces of couscous. And we're gonna add in, before the water, a little bit of pepper, some salt, a little turmeric, some olive oil. We're going to add in our hot water, give it a mix, and then let it cool off. Just a quick little stir. And once this cools off, we'll come back and add in some more exciting items. Okay, the couscous have cooled off now, and I dumped them into a bigger bowl. They look pretty good, actually. All right, now we have cucumber, tomato, just a little bit of mint leaves, and some olives. And these guys, along with a little bit of the olive juice also, just a little bit. So we're gonna chop these guys up, not these guys, drop them in here, and then our couscous salad will be done. Okay, as you can see, everything's in there, but the last piece is the juice of one lemon. America. Here we go. So we just squeeze the lemon juice as much as you can. All right, so we mix everything up. Now remember, you should be tasting this stuff, make sure it's salted to your liking. There we go. Not bad. A little bit of salt. A shot of pepper. Give it a mix. And actually, you can probably put in, if you really wanted to, some jalapenos, perhaps, and that sort of thing. And you can enjoy with that. This spicy guy right here. This is a lot, and I'm dining alone, so getting fatter every day. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching this episode demonstration on how to make a nice couscous salad. And get up and try it, you guys. It's pretty simple, and it goes pretty quick actually. Most of your time you spend waiting for the couscous to cool down before you add in your your vegetables. You can also add in some nuts or some raisins and things like that, which sound good also. And I think this would be a hit at any summer party. Enjoy yourself. Thanks for visiting today. As we always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. We hope you like it. Or if you see it, buy it, try it, and try to make it. And we hope you like it. Thanks again for watching, and I'm going to enjoy my couscous salad.